How to delete public profiles on Snapchat. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I will show you a way on how you can actually delete public profiles on Snapchat. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So if you want to go ahead and then delete your public profile on Snapchat, first of all, you have to make sure that you have a public profile. If you have a public profile, then all you have to do is open up Snapchat, log into your account, and you can see this is how it is going to look like. Now from the very top left hand side of the screen, just tap on this little Bitmoji avatar in order to come to this page, and you can currently see that I have actually a public profile. So if you want to delete this public profile, all you have to do is tap on my public profile button over here, and as soon as you've done that, you'll see all sorts of options such as edit profile, preview profile. You can also see your spotlights. You can save a spotlight if you want. You can save a story to your profile and so on. But if you want to actually delete our public profile, just tap on the three dot icon which you see on the very top right hand corner of the screen. Once you tap on the three dot icon, you'll see all sorts of various options such as what you can do with your profile. But since we're learning to deleting our public profile, at the very bottom you can see this little red button which says delete public profile. So all you have to do is to simply tap on this red button that says delete public profile, and to ask you for a confirmation. So just tap on the delete button. As soon as you tap on the delete button, you can see that our public profile has been successfully deleted and it is showing create public profile. And this is simply how you can delete public profile on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.